I stopped using Google 3 months ago. Not as an experiment. I just found something better. Let me show you why Perplexity AI is replacing Google for millions of people. Perplexity processes over 250 million queries per month in 2026. That's a 10x increase from last year. People aren't just trying it, they're switching. Let's start with a simple search. I ask both. Best laptop for video editing under $1,500. Google gives me 10 blue links for ads and a sponsored snippet. Perplexity gives me a direct answer with sources, specs, and a comparison table. No clicking through 5 websites. Now, a complex research question. How does mRNA vaccine technology work, and what's the latest clinical application? Google sends me to Wikipedia and WebMD. Perplexity synthesizes information from medical journals, explains it clearly, and cites every claim. It's like having a research assistant. Here's where Google completely fails. After my first question, I ask a follow-up. Perplexity remembers the context and builds on its previous answer. Google treats every search as if you just arrived. The conversation flow in Perplexity makes complex research actually enjoyable. Product research. I'm looking for a standing desk. Perplexity compares options, pulls prices, reads reviews, and gives me a recommendation with reasoning. Google shows me an ad for the standing desk company that paid the most. The incentives are completely different. Let me be fair about where Google still wins. Local searches, restaurants near me, store hours, real-time results like sports scores. An image search is still better on Google. Perplexity knows this and doesn't try to compete there. Perplexity Pro costs $20 a month and gives you unlimited pro searches with the most powerful AI models. The free tier gives you 5 pro searches per day. Honestly, the free tier is enough for most people to completely replace their Google research habit. Try Perplexity for 1 week. That's all it takes. Link in the description. Subscribe for more honest AI comparisons.